Hiya folks, we're back on the transit van. I'm going to start preparing this bodywork now by sanding it down. See you in a minute. Right, okay then, so now's the time to sand this old filler down. There's not much to do really. I've got some 80 grit, some 180 and some 240 grit paper in the DA. I've got my hose out the front here, my air hose, so I can make life a bit easier rather than doing it by hand. So I'm going to put you on time lapse. I'm going to sand a bit of this down now and I'll see you in a minute. Right, okay, oh, got my mask on still. Right, okay then, so you can see we're getting the shape there now. We've smoothed it right down and it's just a matter of getting it nearly where it needs to be with the 80 grit. And then obviously these edges have got to be feathered in. I've pretty much got a good shape there. There's going to be a bit more filling needed to do over here. But again, that will blend in when what I'll do, I'll spray it with a filler primer. And then we can see by spraying over it with some guide coat where it needs actually bits of filler still. So, but we're getting there. We're only halfway up along the door there, as you can see, along the sill there, or the rocker, depending where you are along there. So this is just taking in the welds there, as you can probably see there. And as I say, I'm just going to carry on now, and I'll see you a little bit later on. Right, okay then. So I've done a bit of preliminary sanding there, and I'm going to get a coat on of filler primer just to see where we are. First of all, I'm going to give it a wipe down with some panel wipe. I've masked it up, as you can see at the moment. I've blown it all down with the air hose, so I'm just doing this to make sure that the surface is clean from sort of waxes or whatever. But you know, you can use a spirit, I suppose. But I use what they call panel wipe. It's a proprietary cleaner, and it does the job. Because as you can see, look, it's stuff still on the surface, so always do this because you find your paint won't stick. Right, let's go and get the paint. Right, well, this filler primer I'm using is Leckler. It's a 4:1 mix with a hardener, and as I say, I'm laying it on pretty thick here. This is a 1.4 or 1.6 tip, I can't remember, in this spray gun, but as I say, it's pretty forgiving. Even if you get runs with it, it doesn't matter, because when it goes hard, you just rub it down like a filler. And I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, you know, you should have wet the floor down and all. Yeah, I know that. This is outside spraying. This is driveway repairs. So as you can see, I didn't mask the front wheel arch up there. I'll probably take that in when I come to do the spraying, but I wasn't really too bothered. It doesn't actually fly about too much, this paint, to be honest with you. Not like a normal paint, because it's really thick and it sort of goes where you aim it. So again, I'm just building up over these wheel arches here, and I'm literally just laying it on there because it does dry as a filler. So it will cover up certain small holes and blemishes, and even if you can see a ridge underneath it, you can flatten it off if you've got enough products on there. So as I say, but we're only putting this on now. We're wanting to see where we're needing to go with the next level of filling. So as you can see, it dries pretty quick actually, and as I say, I'm able to go over existing stuff again without worrying about it. And I don't know if you noticed there, but I did actually have the lid off me cap. I know someone's going to mention it. I forgot it. It was in the log cabin. I couldn't be bothered to go around for it. There you go. Right, that'll do. And now we can see where we need to go along and just finish off the filling. I'm going to clean my gun out. I'll see you in a minute. Oh, right, I might as well sand this side as well while I'm here. Right, it's getting there. This is fiberglass I put in years ago, to be honest with you. Underneath, because this is a brand new wheel arch here, this I welded underneath in the middle there. As you can see, I built the fiberglass up around it, but obviously as we're sanding down now, I will go over it again with a filler primer, and then we'll be just skimming this in along here just to create more of a nicer curve than what we've actually got. You never get it right on the first time when you put the primer in, so not the primer, the filler in, so be prepared to go 2, 3, 4, even 4 layers just to finish it off, sort of thing. But yeah, as you can see, this was a repair I'd done previously on my channel many moons ago, and never got around to finishing it off. Now we're doing it, so there you go. And this metal has stood up very, very well over the test of time. So I never primed any of this, so it has got some sort of coating on it, these panels, when they come out. So as I didn't sand them down, it had the coating still on it. So anyway, I'm going to carry on now. I think I'm going to leave it here for the video. It's bank holiday weekend now, and I'll get a coat of primer on these, and hopefully next time you come to see this, we'll be ready to put some colour on maybe. Anyway, thanks very much. Hope you've enjoyed this video. See you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.